How's it going, guys? It's me, Randy, also known as Tenzoroku, and I'm here exploring again. And this time I'm at a abandoned bowling alley. I'm here with Porath Photography, so come along with guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more new videos and stuff. So yeah, where all the kids were playing area. So what's going on back here? Whoa, so this is what it looks like back here. Ooh, don't forget to turn off the machine. Whoa. Watch your step. Ooh, creepy.
Yeah, it's creepy.
Whoa. I haven't gotten this room yet, so what's in here? Whoa. An old monitor. I found a safe. I found a safe. It's empty. Empty safe. No money. All the money's gone. Look, someone smoked a cigarette in here. Not for sale. Ooh. Christmas week. Look at all that server. Entering the bar section. This is where everyone. That's the bar. So now look at all the mural. We got Kiss and some guy. I think that was what, Rolling Stone, the Beatles. And you got like Jerry Garcia, Bob Marley, Cheech and Chong, Janis Joplin. I think that what, Jim Morrison back up there, him, Hendrick. Oh man, there's so many people in here. They're just so cool. And they're gonna, oh, look, Alice Cooper. And of course she got Bowie. Yeah. They're planning on trying to save this mural, but that would suck. This has been around here for ages. So yeah. This would be the bar where everyone would party all the time. Drinking at the bar, guys, here. Look, I found a vape. A food chai. Someone left the food chai here. Vape life. There's a cold storage and a store of beer in here. Yep. Ah, look at that bar section. Look at that. I dare anyone to eat this. All that equipment. The drain rail. But yeah, we'll leave you guys right there. We haven't gone downstairs yet. We're still on upstairs. And right behind me is the full bowling alley. The only lane that's still surviving right now. There's still stuff laying all over the place from the last previous tenants. So, all these chairs. Yeah, you come over here and check, get your shoes or whatever. So, it's always fun. Alright, let's go down to the... These are all the lanes. Man, this has been around for ages. I remember coming here as a kid. Actually, my school's right... my middle school is right down the road here. We would come here for, you know, for school, for like bowling and stuff. Let's walk down the lane. Ooh. I hope not in his shot. New Brunswick. Machine. There's all the bowling machine right there. I'm not gonna cross this because I think they're trying to save the wood. But yeah, I think I just covered the bounce house area. Now we're in the section where they normally bowl. This is the only place they saved. So I think unless you guys want to check out the bathroom. No, not really. Oh, look at this. Maybe Cameron will like this photo. There you go, the shoe. Printers everywhere. What's in this room? Ooh, that's creepy. You guys ready to go downstairs yet? Let's go downstairs. Here's the bathroom. Someone bought the door. Going down the basement. Whoa, bando with power still on. We're in the kitchen now. Wow. A bobblehead. Milwaukee Bucks. Knifeware. Power. And we are now in the basement, the kitchen area. There's junk everywhere. Jump on it. Oh! Just missing the J. Jump on it. And well, we can go out this way. It's actually warmer in there. I don't know why. If you're coming in this store, please come up the front stairs to be checked in. Alex. Oh, yeah, vending machine. Man, all this stuff. Whoa, what is this room? DVDs, merch. Yeah, it's just crazy how this place used to be really live and active, and you know, with everything going on and stuff. Now it's just being shut down. They're gonna tear this whole place down. Yeah, a lot of history about this place, so it just sucks to see it go. And would love to see this place get saved. This is like what part of my hometown history and stuff. So, man, love to see this place get saved. But yeah, I don't know. If you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Because if you guys don't do that, then there's no point for me to keep on making these type of videos. So, yeah. I was told this is where they, look at all them empty bottles. They just throw it down the stairs. Yeah. Empty bottles, they just throw it down. Hey, look, they got a rolling rock. Yeah. Upstairs, there's a bar, of course. Look at that cool beer cooler. Oh, don't get trapped in here now. That's Nate from Porath Photography. Make sure to hit him up on Instagram. Nate05 845 045. Yeah, there you go. Behind the bowling pin. So I was told there's a cool shot that you could get back here. So these are all the machine. So this is what it looks like back here. Brunswick. Automatic pinster. Oh, look at that. Guys, there you have it, guys. This is gonna. Right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this exploration. This is pretty much a lot of history in this place. This place is gonna be gone. Yeah.